I'm Mahta from Layers, and in this video, we will discuss how Layers platform works. By using Layers, you can create an online workshop that allows customers to upload their 3D models, request price quotation, and place orders. Layers automates your coding process for 3D printing and optimizes your order management workflow. With Layers, you can track and manage every part of your 3D printing, including orders, customer communication, and financial reports. Everything will be done in a platform made for a 3D printing business. When you create an online shop in Layers, whether you have a website or not, you can provide free instant quotes to your customers. You can easily install the Layers quotation platform on your website or access it with the subdomain. Customers can upload 3D CAD files, customize parameters like scale, material, and printing quality. They can choose between a variety of 3D printing technologies and get an instant quotation online. It's that simple. With online payment gateways, your company will be able to offer online 3D printing services 24/7 in a platform exclusively designed to do this job.